Hey YouTube, I'm starting it up. Everybody's been telling me to put my stuff on YouTube. Well, it's about to happen. I'm about to make two shell steaks, but I'm gonna marinate both of them. Both of them have sea salt on them, but I'm gonna marinate it in some pineapple. I'm gonna cook a whole pineapple, take a whole pineapple and break it down. This is supposed to make it tender and make it taste better. Then I'm gonna have a taste test between the two shell steaks that I'm making, and we'll see how it come out. My first time on YouTube, so I'm gonna make it pop. So put the thumbs up for me because it's about to happen. First, you just break the head off. It's relatively easy. Put that to the side, discard it, and you start cutting it down one side. Basically cutting it on the sides. And then you take that side. I might be cutting too much pineapple upon somebody probably says, but I'm not sure. I know as long as it serves my purpose, I ain't got a problem. So I'm using it as a marinade. So let's get this baby going. And let's cut off the edges. Hold on, let me not lose my mind. Okay. Always good to have a sharp knife, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. I think those two pieces should do enough because I'm only making two shell sticks this size, and I'm marinating one of them in pineapple. Remember that, pineapple. All right, let me get the process to begin. Well, these are my two shell sticks. I'm gonna pat dry because there's a little moisture on them. I don't want them to be moist. Pat dry both sides because I'm going to apply kosher salt. Everybody has to get up on this kosher salt. I'm gonna be generous with it. Well, one of them I'm gonna apply kosher salt. The other one, I'm just going to put in my pineapple marinade, which I should have put it in the bag already, but I didn't. And then after I wipe it off, after I have it in the refrigerator for maybe 24 hours, and then I'll show you how it breaks down. So we're basically trying to get which steak is the most flavorful and tender. I love ribeye, shell steaks, prime rib. That's my thing. So here we go. With that, that's the pineapple. I blended it up. Let's put that in there. Yeah, let's get that in there. Get it off the butcher's block. I don't want to cross-contaminate anything. But that's basically what you do. You marinate it in there, and we're gonna put this. I'm gonna sit this on a rack and refrigerate it overnight, 24 hours, and we'll see how it comes out the next day when I cook it. So y'all, it's about to be the journey. It's about to begin later. Well, I'm back. I had to put some sea salt on this. This is the pineapple one. I already did the other side. And this one was already done overnight, and it was in the refrigerator overnight, so it can dry age a little bit in the refrigerator, which is supposed to be better for the steak. So we're about to see how these bad boys work out. As you can see, I have some garlic, some delicious Land O'Lakes butter. You can get salted or unsalted, your preference. Some rosemary, and I got the skillet nice and hot, so it's about to happen right now. So let me put the pineapple one. I want to sear it first, get a little crust on it. It's gonna be a lot of steam. Let me put that dry one on the other side. Try to get a crust on it. About 1 minute on each side. And get a little smoke coming out of here. That's all right. here saying, and I gotta make sure you always cook the sides of the fat too. You gotta lay that down in there. So that should have been about a minute now, right? You see how that, no, I didn't get the crust the way I want it. See that one, the pineapple one, I already never give you a crust right away. I guess because it's soaked in the enzymes or something. I'm not sure. I'm not a chemist, so I don't really know. But I'll find out. Let's see how this one looks. Oh, it's getting a pretty decent crust on that. Let me flip this one anyway. I want to stick now. I didn't get a crust at all, really. Now maybe put my butter, put like a half a stick. There we go. Don't be scared, then put some fresh garlic in there. Can't forget the rosemary. Let that all get in there. Get that flavor in there. Then I'm gonna start basting it. Come on now. Let me get this rosemary in here now. There we go. Now remember the pineapple one? Well, you can tell it's a lighter color. Got base in it. Oh, if you can smell that, y'all. Woo! It smells so good. And I forgot one ingredient, which is kind of crazy, but I did. Forgot to put it on before I put it in there. See? Trying to do a YouTube video, and I start slipping. Cracked black pepper. I'm back. Well, this is the end result. Let's try with the pineapple one first. Let me see how it cuts. Oh, it cuts pretty tender. A little pinkness in there. Make it a little bit. And let's try that. Let me see. Got a little butter juice right there. It's tender. It's good. It doesn't have a crust on it. Okay. Well, the flavor's good though. I'm not gonna lie. It's different. Interesting. Okay. Let me cut down the center here. Cut that piece off. Cut that piece off. My steak, I usually like a little pinker than this, but I think I a little overcooked it. But not really. Still looks delicious, but let me taste a piece. Oh, that's good. That's really good. And these are shell steaks. They're not bad at all. But as you can see, this is the pineapple one. It's a lot lighter. And this is the regular one. Aged one overnight. 24 hours, both of them. try this one again. Oh, that's pretty good. Wow. The pineapple one's not bad either. Tender. Oh yeah. Break sound good. There's a little bit of that garlic butter with the fresh garlic in it. It's a big clunk of garlic. That's good. But overall, everything came out really good. My first try, my YouTube video, I'm not talking my mouth full, but this is delicious. So, signing out. My cameraman, he was too busy, so I gotta get a new cameraman.